Hello once again and welcome back to my no, not let's play. Welcome back to my tutorial of how to make a sum server. Today we're going to have it about, where is it here, comments. Let me first delete these lines from last time. I don't need it. We don't need it. Come on. Okay, here also, and here. Okay. Now, comments. What are comments? Well, comments are like, uh, comments are, um, well, you give a comment to the server and the server gives some things back. It's something like that. Something like that, yeah. It's something like that. And you can have, there are several comment systems or comment processors that you can use in SAMP. The first one is, let me type processors. Processor, what the hell? No. No, Michael, no. The first one is just strcmp, string compare, like that. You have another one that's called I mean, no, Y comments, something like that, yes. Then you have Z comment, D comment, R comment, as far as I know. So string comment, string compare, I mean, is just by is default. Oh, damn, default. Y comments is by wireless, of course. Everything that starts with a Y is by wireless. Z comment is by Zeeks. D comment is by, no. D comment is an advanced, wait, yes, it's an advanced version, oh damn, version of string compare. And R comment is by writer. So if you go to some forums, you will find them there. Let's see, includes, oh wait, maybe it's easier to go to this one. Okay, comment processors, there you go. Here you go, it's by Draco Blue. Yes, but it's also use string compare. So it's by Draco Blue. Draco Blue. Oh damn, it's UE. So like this, you have to add this line to use it. Then you have also, we have also E comment, M comment, R comment, C by writer, Y comment. I'm just going to rename Y comment. Z comment. Oh, yes. First I'm going to use some default things. When a player types a comment, it begins with a forward slash, not a backslash, just a forward slash. And with string compare, with that comment, well, is it actually a processor? I don't think it's actually a processor. You just compare strings to the for the player. Well, yes. And if they match, you'd give something back. So I don't think it's not actually a common processor. But if you go to on player comment text, here are the string compares made. So you have string compare, and then you compare string 1, string 2, and string 2, and you have an ignore case and a length. Uh, the ignore case is that if it has to ignore caps or not, I, if I remember. Let's check that. Wiki strcmp ignore case. When set as the true, the case doesn't matter. Hello is the same as low, and false they're not the same. See? It just if you want to check caps lock or the case, it's also an optional parameter, and it returns -1 if string 1 what comes before. What does they mean with come before? Ah well, you have to use 0. See 0 equals 0. If it returns 0, they matches, and then you can say something back to the player. If they, for example, so here you type the comment with the forward slash included. That's the only one, the only processor with the only process. It's not a process. The only way that needs a forward slash. Y comment, Z comment, R comment doesn't use. You don't have to type the forward slash included. If we, so let's say, let's make a comment like, what about help? And every server will have a comment with help. And then you can, if the player types help, the server has to return something, and that is happening here. So you can say like, so the player needs help. So you can send a client message. Send client message. So to the player ID who typed the comment with color color oh, by the way, if you don't have colors, but if you do -1, -1 equals white, so your message will be white. So I'm going to use white for now. So you can say like help. What can we show the player? Well, we can do like an header for like help, and then close it again, and then another message. ID -1, and then this is a test server. You don't need much help here. And there we go. Maybe no. So if the player types help /help, he will see this. So the server returns this. Oh, damn. What the fuck is wrong with my mouse? So they will see this. You have to return 1 because that means that if it returns 0, it will say like what? Undefined comment or something. Undefined comment. And if you return 1, well, with string compare you have always to do return 1. And here at the end of the callback you have to return 0. Always. Always do return 1 in the if statement. Understand? Else, if you don't do return, it will send this message to the player plus the undefined comment error. I think. Yes, it will. So help, you have a parameter with length. Well, how much length is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can change that to 5. And true, yes, well, we ignore it. I don't care about caps lock or case or whatever. Tell them. So, uh, let's, well, that string compare. Should we? I want to use Z comment because I always use that. I didn't try Y comment yet. I don't know how it looks like, but Z comment is easy. It's so easy to use. If you go to Zeke's topic, as you see the usage and the description. So it uses also on player comment text to process player's comment. Of course, well, I don't. Yes, it will use. So you can use it on several types. Uh, Here's an example. So the comment is give money. As you see, you don't have to put the /. And then you check if the player is admin, then new variables, then you string scan format some variables, then you check the player ID isn't an invalid player ID, well yes, blah blah blah. So I'm going to use set comment, but trust me, this will work also. This will work also. You can of course change this to whatever you like, or you can show text draws, or you can show dialogues, or you can kick the player, you can ban the player, you can spawn a vehicle for him, you can do whatever you like. So I'm going to use set comment for now. And as you saw maybe here, since version 0.3 on player comment text cannot be used anymore. So you have to delete this one. And it's an include, so we have to include it. So first of all, we're going to download it. Past bin is easier. And okay, link is down. If it is, and it's already done. Oh my god. And solid files maybe. And there we go. Uploaded 3 years ago. Oh my. Damn. A fucking advertisement. Save. Close. Go to downloads. Here you go. Set comment is so you have to go to your directory. Pauno includes. Paste it here. And then you can include it here. So include. Include set comment. If you compile that, it's good, it found it. So set comment, you for making comments you may not do it under a callback. So if you make a comment here, so comment as you saw, comment blah blah blah. No, don't. You have to add it outside outside a public or a callback or a stock. So I'm going to go down. There we go. Oh, so here we have stocks. You can actually separate it in groups. So stocks. Then we have. Oh, whoa. Then we have timers, publics, and in the bottom, on the bottom you have comments. Okay, well, like previously, we're going to have a comment help. So, usage, as you see, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 styles or usage. I usually use this. So, well, I'm going to add them also. So you have comment help. And then with parameters player ID and some parameters. Then this. But you can also do comment help comment help and comment. Wait, what was it? Comment. My comment is it's comment. That's like this. Comment help player ID params. Going to copy that. Ugh, damn, no. There you go. You can use this, or this. Compile. Okay. See, now you have a comment. Help. So it's the same like the string compare. Well, it uses on-player comment text, of course. But well, have to return 0 also. 1, I mean. Else it would say undefined comment. So let's do it like send, like previously, send client message, player ID, -1, so white, and then pa and help, opa, Gangnam Style. Okay. and send client message player ID. No help available. This is a test server. You can do it like this, but as I said, you can do several things to return to the player. Then add a second comment stats, and here I'm going to use a dialog. Oh damn, no, not the same. Okay, so also return 1, and then we want to show the player his ping, his score, his money of well, we don't, yes, his money, his whatever, his team ID, his, if he's pound of whatever, yes, his weapons, his, oh yes, okay, so let's first of all do a big one, and on the bottom we have to do show player dialog, player to the player ID, dialog stats, a style that will be the dialog style message box, just a message box for now. Caption, well, stats, and then we have our info button, oh, okay, and that's it. Okay, so you can also do get player name, well, his name, his ID, his money, his ping, his score, his yes, whatever. So that's all going to be in the dialog stats. Before I forget, let's define dialog stats. That will be dialog ID 3. So 3. Compile, no errors. Awesome. This is fucking awesome. Okay. So we have to probably format strings. So no string. Maybe we do it more. So format string size of string. Okay, now we can do so your stats, and then we're going to make a new line. Your stats, so name will be a string, so pros and d. Then you have ID, that's a little number, so pros and d. Then you can show his ping. Let's do that in an integer or whatever. Add also again a new line. Let's show his score, integer, his money, also integer, and his let's say score, money, and team. Well, no, wait. Also new line, team, and team ID, %d, snidey. Then we have to fill them up. So first our name, our %s, well, we have a stock here, player name. So that's easy, player name of the player ID. Then our player ID, so just player ID. Then we have our ping, and that's with the function get player ping of player ID. Then we have our score, also with get player score of the player ID. Score. Then we have our money, also with get player money of the player ID. Then we have our team. First our team name. We had a custom stock for of get player team X of player ID, and then just our team ID, and that's with get player team player ID. Okay, that's like a long line. You can, if it's easier for you, you can do it like this. Then you see all the things that is going to be in our string. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. There we go. And we have to change it here to the string. So that's it. Let's compile. No errors. Awesome. Now we're going to make uh, yes. Let's explain how to work with parameters. I'm going to change so comments plus well, we're going to use screen scan format. Okay, so going to make a new comment player stats p stats, same parameters. So now we want to show the stats of a certain player. So we're going to do it like the same. So new string 256. Then our return 1. Don't forget that. I guess if you don't, yes, it will show an error. See? A warning. Oh no. Oh, whatever. No. Always do return 1. Then our show player dialog. Going to copy that. We're going to say p stats and player stats. Okay, now we have to get the parameters, and we're going to use string scan format for that. So by wireless, screen scan format uses an include and an plugin. So you have to get those. Let's go to SSCANF. There we go. Okay. I guess we'll use the newest version. Yeah, let's use a newer version. Downloads, where's the downloads? Download. Source windows.dll dynamic link library. CentOS use if so we have to use this one. Save. and the include. Wait, maybe it's in there. So wait, downloads. Where is it? Here we go. Unzip it. Extract. So here we go. The include, yes, the include is there, and the plugin. And what the hell is this? Oh, that's the source. Going to copy these ones. So to our back. Well, just to our pound include, or just our past. Yes, replace. So now we have our plugins, Windows and Linux plugin, and our include. So first of all, we have to include them. Include, include string scan format 2. There we go, include it. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, of course, our dialog. Define dialog p stats. That will be 4. Okay, so now we have it. Awesome. And now we're going back. Now we can use it. So we're going to say if string scan format of our parameters, so params. I'm doing it right, yes. Then how much parameters? We only need so p stats of a player ID. So we're just gonna here we don't have to put the process, but just the specifier. Well, just the D or the S or the F or or just the D and an ID. If that is true, then we're going to return send client message player ID. So we're going to send a message to our player ID, color red. Let's say usage. Then we're going to show the player how to use it. So p stats, and then our parameter. So we have only one parameter, the player ID. If you compile that, it will show an error that you don't have an undefined symbol ID. Well, we have to store our parameters to a variable, so ID. There we go. Now we can use it further, so we can check now if the ID you typed is actually connected. So if is player connected, so not now player ID, but now you're going, if you type player ID, you're going to check yourself if you're connected. But we have to check the typed ID of the parameter. So we have to ID, then return send client message player to the player ID, color red, player isn't connected. There you go. And if he or she is actually connected, then we're going to do same like this, so our format string, but now we want the stats of the typed ID, so our typed ID, so of this variable. So now not player ID but just ID. And here also copy. There you go. Then you have it. You can use string scan format whatever whenever you like. And every comment I only use it in comments and in my SQL queries. I'm not going to explain that now. Okay, so we're going to test it and then we're going to end this here, I guess. As I said, string ScanFort uses a plugin, so we're going to. Oh wait, it's already there. Is it the same? Yes, it's. You have to add this line. You have to add string ScanFormat to the plugins line. So yeah, we're going to test it now. Is it compiled? Yes. So we have to. There we go. I'm not going to add debug lines into the comments because that's not useful. That's not, well, we can't debug actually. Ah, yeah, whatever. So, going to test that, go to our client, test server, I'm going to change my name, connect, test game mode, and then we're going to San Andreas multiplayer. EX Advanced HD, the way it's meant to be played, Rocknet. Rocknet. See you online. Huh. There we go. Awesome. Yes, let's choose a class. Paramedic, no. Well, let's be a paramedic. Okay, so oh damn. What the hell is wrong with my camera? Okay. Our first comment was, so press T and then forward slash was test. Enter. What? What the? Okay. Fail. Comment. Help. What? It's here. It don't. Uh, that comment? Yes. What the hell is this? Yeah, it's loaded. String scan format. What the fuck? Stats can be stats. Ah, okay. So stats works. So as you see, your stats. So our name is Michael at Belgium. We have a player ID 0, as it says here. You have ping of 19, as you see here. Score 0. Yes, we have score 0. We don't have any money. And our team is paramedic, team ID 0. As you see here, your team is paramedic 0. So that actually works. If we type another if you type command peace test, well, help. What? What did I type? Oh, test. Oh my god. Lol. Okay, so I thought it didn't work. So help. So you type help and it returns this as is scripted. So it returns this. And our stats comment. So David, we well, we did it. It works. Now we're going to try P stats. So P stats, player stats, has parameters, and if you don't have a parameter, it will return. So send client message use HP stats player ID. So we test that. So just P, what the hell, P stats. Then it says as is scripted and color red, use HP stats player ID. So we have to, well, too bad there isn't any other player online. It's localhost, so I'm going to P stats of ID 0, and ID 0 are is Michael at Belgium, so me. So if you check that, enter. How the fuck am I not connected? I'm fucking here. Oh wait. Let's quit for a second. It says I don't if you it says if is player connected. So if he's connected we're going to return player is connected. We have to add this one. F5. Start again. Close. Start again. Yes, now it will work. Oh, that's a stupid mistake. Ugh, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm tired. It's like, my. Okay, now it will work. Peace stats. Now we're going to choose a police officer. Fuck the police. No, not in real life. Okay, P stats. It returns our usage. P stats 0. There we go. It's the same. But now we have our team police and team ID 0. So that works. If we type, for example, a player that is not connected, so P stats 999, player isn't connected. So yeah, that works. Um, that works. Yes, it works. Le before I don't know what to do for next tutorial, for the next part. So I would like to go you to suggest some things. Um, yeah. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'm going to edit the class selection. So change the coordinates, etc. and so on. Maybe, yeah, I'm going to do that. Edit class positions. Just for you guys that you maybe if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to explain it also. Then we're going to yes, well, that's it for now. Actually, so yeah, going to chase that. I would like to thank you guys for watching again, once again. If you watch this, of course, the whole video, and yeah, yeah, dialogue list. Yeah, okay. Get player team stocks, timer publics. Okay, yes. So thanks guys for watching and I will see you guys next time.